As we come to the alphabet arc, let's revise what we know so far. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. Why don't you count them and make sure? From the letters in the alphabet, we have got what we call 5 short vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U, A. The rest of the red letters are called consonants. Let's go to our alphabet arc and work through each sound, naming it and sounding it. Let's start with the initial sound, A, and end with the final sound, Z. A. A is A. A for acrobat. B. B is B. B for baboon. C. C is K. K for counting. D. D is D. D for donkey. E. E is E. E for everyone. F. F is F. F for funny. G. G is G. G for giggle. H. H is H. H for happy. I. I is E. E for incredible. J. J is J. J for jumping. K. K is K. K for king. L. L is L. L for lollipop. M. M is M. M for mouthful. N. N is N. N for nice. O. O is O. O for octopus. P. P is P. P for porcupine. Q. Q is Q. Q for quadruple. R. R is R. R for red. S. S is S. S for sentence. T. T is T. T for tarantula. U. U is A. A for underneath. V. V is V. V for viola. W. W is W. W for water. X. is X. X for X-ray. Y. Y is Y. Y for yellow. Z. Z is Z. Z for zebra. Why don't you have a turn now? As I pull each letter down, you can repeat. A is A for acrobat. Let's go. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Good. Now we are going to look at what we use all these letters for. We know that when we blend consonants and vowels, we can make words. In our next lesson, we are going to look at the short vowel sound A. A. Why don't you take a break, and I will meet you again when we come back to phonics. Goodbye.